One of the biggest and most important successes I've had with the Immigration Lawyer Toolbox is the outreach we've had internationally for lawyers, not just in the US, but also foreign lawyers, many of whom regularly contact me. And we've been able to even hire and have supporting staff of lawyers across the world, whether in Turkey, in India, in Mexico, a lot of different countries. So it's been a unique position I've been able to be in for people to connect with me on a one-on-one cultural basis from listening to the program and then having a space and a spot in the office open for a person that's overseas. And we've developed systems to be able to track time, have VPNs, all that. So we have support services with foreign language specialists and lawyers who are very skilled to provide supporting staff for our office. And there's so much demand for this, and we know how we have a lot of listeners overseas, that demands come from my office and all our colleagues, that I want to reach out in particular to those people who have graduated law schools from outside the U.S. If you are interested in working with the U.S. immigration law firm and being part of that process and being a staff member, please reach out to me. Email me your resume, info@immigrationlawyerstoolbox.com. So we collect that and we could spread it and let other immigration lawyers who have firms in the U.S. know that this support staff is available overseas. Very talented people with language abilities and the knowledge and skills, and they're lawyers too, which helps out a lot for the sophistication level, the understanding, the fast pace of getting things started. So this is a message I want to send to non-U.S. lawyers who are particularly outside the U.S. from all countries across the world to reach out to me and send your resume so we have a database to help you promote your skills on an international basis, and for U.S. law firms to know that you exist and connect with you. The existing systems are kind of hard. I've reached out to universities, law schools, that is, across the world, and it's always hard to deal with them to try to connect with their students, recent graduates, or even graduates who've been there a long time. But sometimes because of the reach of this podcast, they come directly to you. So again, email me at info@immigrationlawyerstoolbox with a resume, some background notes or something like that in the email as well. I'll collect that and we'll stay in touch and see what we can do to help you take your career to the next level. And for the law firms who are listening as well, that we're collecting these and it's an avenue, a place they could reach out for to connect with these attorneys. So I look forward to talking with you, meeting you, getting your emails, and really making this world a smaller place, which is what we do as immigration lawyers.